Common issues with Apple Pay on iPhone can be frustrating, but most problems can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. To start, ensure you have a compatible iPhone model and the latest version of iOS installed. First, check if Apple Pay is enabled on your device. Go to the Settings app, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay, and verify that Apple Pay is turned on. If you are having trouble adding a card, make sure you have a supported card from a participating bank or financial institution. One common issue is failed transactions. If a transaction is declined, check your card balance and expiration date to ensure they are valid. Also, verify that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection, as Apple Pay requires a connection to process transactions. Another issue is cards not being recognized by Apple Pay. Try removing and re-adding the card to your wallet app. If the problem persists, contact your bank or financial institution to verify that your card is compatible with Apple Pay. If you are experiencing issues with Apple Pay on a specific merchant's terminal, try using a different terminal or asking the merchant if they support contactless payments. To prevent issues with Apple Pay, regularly update your iPhone and Wallet app, and monitor your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can resolve common issues with Apple Pay on your iPhone and enjoy a seamless mobile payment experience.